Hi everyone, good to have you in class. This is A Plus Academic Resource Center where we take online tutorials for undergraduates and senior secondary students. Okay? Thank you. Please like our videos, share them, invite people to join us and be part of what we are doing. If you know that we are giving value, if you know that we are doing something of importance, something of value here, please do not hesitate to invite people, share the video so that other people can see it. There are people looking for this opportunity to be part of something like this. Please share the video so that they can see it. Thank you for doing that. Thank you for doing that. Okay, today we're going to be looking at statistics, and under statistics, we're going to be looking at the definition of statistics. The division of statistics, we're going to be looking at definition of basic terms of statistics. If you're a management science student or a social science student, I will implore you to take these classes seriously because these are fundamentals, these are basics. You need to know them because statistics, econometrics, financial accounting, all these social science courses, they are fundamental, they are very important as long as your academic career is concerned. And just like I told us, I said we are starting from scratch and we are going to be progressive in our lectures. We are going to be progressive in our tutorials. We're not going to just handpick topics and treat them. No, we're going to be progressive. We're going to take them step by step and ensure that you have a full knowledge, a chronological knowledge of what we are doing here. Okay? So we're intentional and we are serious about this. So do us well by inviting people and sharing the video so that others can see it and get value just as you are getting value. All right, thank you. See you in class. Bye-bye for now.